This is Vlad with TradeSpoon, and what's on every investor's mind is earnings season. Now that we were able to avoid the government shutdown, and in the next months or two, government will not default on its debt, what's on everyone's mind is earnings season. Earnings season is well on its way, and 60% of the company, over 60% of the company, already reported the earnings that beat analyst estimates on the bottom and top line. So it is important to now for the regular investor to pick the stocks based on their evaluations. And at TradeSpoon we have different models and different factors to pick in the stocks. We look at the earnings consistency, and we're looking also on intrinsic value. How to calculate the intrinsic value of the stock based on discounted cash flow model. And you can use different models to evaluate the stocks. So the most important is what is the earnings consistency. So when you pick a stock and you have a horizon for the next month or two, it's important to understand what happened in the past for the stock. Have they beat the earnings estimates? Were they able to grow the top line and the bottom line from quarter to quarter? So at TradeSpoon, we database all of the stock's earnings, and we see what is the rate of growth of the earnings from quarter to quarter. And other stock able, or the company is able to beat the earnings estimates. The second factor in our model at TradeSpoon, in order to rank all the stocks and see what are the best stocks that will outperform the market in the next few months using stock or option strategies, is intrinsic value evaluation based on discounted cash flow model. So we look at what is the discount that the stock is trading on right now based on the future ability to generate cash and dividend. And we model the stock, and we backtest it in the past 10 years to see what is the likelihood of stock to be higher than it is now. So today's pick that we have, an example, is ticker SLB, Slumberger, which provides technology and services for large oil and gas exploration companies. So if you look at the intrinsic value of the Slumberger, it currently trades 10% below its intrinsic value of $99. And the Slumberger is also able to grow its earnings in the past 3 years at the impressive rate of 18%. Also, Slumberger is currently trading at PE of 20. And if you look at the historic range of the forward PE, Slumberger has been traded between 8 and 30. So it's right now trading at a PE multiple of 20. So once again, it's important to do your homework and evaluate the stocks based on its intrinsic value. And it's important to figure out what is the earnings consistency of the stock. And is the stock able to generate cash from quarter to quarter in the past? And what is the ability of the stock to generate the earnings in the future? So once again, this is Vlad with TradeSpoon, and you can see further analysis at TradeSpoon site. Thank you.